So this is how you turn on both the heating and the hot water for the van. So what you want to do is you come up to this control panel here and you click this button inwards and it gives you the 4 options. The first one is for the heating, second is for the hot water, the third one you don't need to do anything with and can leave as is, and the fourth one is for the heating fan. So what you want to do, press the button in and select by clicking inwards on the heating. You'll see that it's off, so I'm just going to turn it up to 30 because it's quite hot here today and I need to show you how it actually works. So press it inwards to select it on 30 and you'll probably hear the boiler click, and that's when the boiler then comes on and starts to turn the heating on. So what you'll see now is that it's trying to reach 30 and that this flame here is flashing, which means it hasn't quite reached 30. And what will happen is when it reaches 30, you'll get, if I turn it back down to 19 or so, you'll see that this is then a solid flame, which means it's got up to temperature. Now this is a thermostatic control, so you don't need to play with it. If you set it to a certain temperature, it will then just maintain the van at that temperature. If for whatever reason you've come in and it's really cold and you want to try and heat it up really quickly, you can scroll across using the dial again to that fan, and it gives you 2 options, one which is on eco and one which is on high. So you can change it to high, which will boost the heating and make it come on quicker. In order to turn the heating back off again, all you need to do is go back to the heating, scroll all the way back round again to off, and then click the button in to accept it. Now to turn on the hot water, all you want to do is click the button on to turn the control panel, move the dial across to hot water and select the second one. So what you'll see is it's off at the moment, and again you can turn this round to eco, which gives you 40 degrees hot water, or hot, which gives you 60 degrees hot water, and you click it in to select it. So you'll hear the boiler then click into action again, and what you'll have once it does is this hot up here will flash until the heat. This hot up here will flash until the water has reached the temperature needed. We recommend that you turn this hot water on about half an hour or so before you want to use it, which gives the boiler enough time to heat up water for showers or washing up. In order to turn it back off again, all you do is select it back on the control panel, spin it round until it's off and select that option.